brought back Hindi, he brought back the public school system, he just changed the whole Hindi. आजकल देखते हैं, if you see visiting cards, one side is in English, the other side is in Hindi. And the Hindi card is works more. Yes. Number plates are in Hindi and Gujarati hoy to fir mashallah. That's like the biggest power center. So he's changed a lot of what we call markers of power.
Yeah. I think Priya, he said that that's why I said dismantling. He dismantled the idea that English was the way forward because a large cross section of the people do speak vernacular languages. It could be Hindi, it could be scores of other vernacular languages, whether it's Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, or Telugu, Tamil. So he Bengali. He kind of appealed to a large cross section of the people that be comfortable in the language. And if I go out, whether you have a Putin or you have a Macron or someone like that, they speak their own language. Putin is always conversing in Russian whenever he's traveling abroad. So the Prime Minister said, I don't need to converse with people in India or abroad or globally or with big leaders. I'll be conversing with them in my language. That was a big shift from the past. And that was kind of embracing your linguistic identity also, no? So he's as comfortable in Hindi as he was in Gujarati and even in English to a certain extent, but he made one point of language as communication point. Like I've always strained myself to understand as to why Putin continues to speak in Russian when he knows English very well, but he does. So I think it appeals to a large cross section of the people.
Basically, to take off from what you're saying, he brought back a pride in being Indian, in the Indian language, Indian dress, Indian customs, festivals. Suddenly, being Indian, just like at the book launch, which as I said earlier, Amit Shah had come, he told us a very interesting narrative. शायद आपको याद होगा. Then he said कि मैं जब गुजरात से दिल्ली आ रहा था तो फिर I started to learn Hindi. तो मैंने गुजराती newspaper लिया और उसकी मैं हिंदी में translation कर रहा था. Every day I used to translate one newspaper into Hindi. So people ask me कि why don't you do it English instead of Hindi? तो he said मुझे तो हिंदी English समझ आती है, but if anybody wants to understand me, they better learn Hindi. Yeah. So that's the language.
If you know, Priya, there was this movie, and I'm reminded of that movie called Hindi Medium, by Irfan Khan, and it was a wonderful movie about why you need to fit in and the pressure of fitting in on young people about mastering English is immense, if you understand. So I think the Prime Minister and, for example, even Akhilesh Yadav speaks in Hindi. And you have a huge band of leaders who are now largely conversing in Hindi. Yogi Adityanath converses in Hindi. You have Devendra Fadnavis who speaks in Marathi. So we are seeing a change, a shift in politics. Brand of leaders coming in who speak their own language and they are comfortable. They'll communicate in the language they're comfortable with. So to a large, young, impressionable audience, the message they are sending is be comfortable in the language you are born with, whatever is your mother tongue, be comfortable with it. And I think that's a big change.
So that is the other thing the book talks about, the cultural renaissance.
Yeah.
India se Bharat. That's what Modi has done.
I would say a large part of that had to do with being like you had something like a Carter Road, or you had had Rajpath, and these were, a lot of them had colonial titles and roads and this and that, like
King George ka statue.
Yeah, or Racecourse Road. Kab tak we will be sticking with King George statue, or I saw the old Parliament building, a portion of it. You have to accommodate the needs of New India, and you need a new Parliament building for it. You need to celebrate your own icons. Why do you need George V statue to constantly remind you that you were colonized? I think everyone knows it in some form or the other. I think the debate over language, our skin color, obsession with a certain this is all about a colonial hangover, and it's about time that you become comfortable with that.
That's the other thing that we spoke about at the book launch and in your book, is the pride in being Indian has come back. And he's saying it's not just in us, but when we go to the Yashwant Deshmukh ne shayad kiya tha, Tell us what he said.
He said that when he travels to Dubai and or going through any airport and immigration, earlier the Indian passport did not evoke that sense of response. But now the Indian passport holder is seen with a certain kind of respect. And